chill day today. I have had very low energy. I know I have a lot of energy now, but I have not had it earlier today. It was just really chill here on the gym. I will say that, like, it is a very chill sailing. There's lots to see, lots to do. There's not a whole lot that's like really floating my boat that I'm like itching to go try. So on a day like today where there's lots of motion and everything, I took a nap. Definitely took a nap. And the seas have actually, I think, picked up a little bit more now. And I definitely was feeling it. Dinner was very good from what I had. I only had a little bit, and I wanted to try some things that were going to be different, but I just wanted to play it safe. So I did go ahead and get the chicken, and it was delicious. I only had a couple bites, but all the flavor and everything was good. It wasn't anything to go out of the way for, but if you needed like a calm dinner, like something, you know, that might not upset your stomach or anything too much, that was definitely something I would try. I really wanted to try the butter chicken. I took one little bite, and even the smell, like I could do it. It just, there's too much ocean for me today. It's just too much. So, but it's still, I would say, better than it was on our last sailing on the Magic. I think if we were on the Magic right now, I would definitely probably be getting sick because of the fact that it was a much smaller ship. So you feel, and then it's a much older ship, so you're definitely feeling a lot more. But it's been great. So we are on deck 11, and I'm definitely feeling it up here. I am going to go ahead and call it quits for the night. I know my kids and my husband are starting to feel it a little bit more too, so I think we're going to have a very short day today. But we have a great day at Cozumel tomorrow. We don't have any excursions, but I do hope that we get off the ship at least for a little bit and check out the Royal Caribbean port a little bit more and see what they have. If not, we're going to take full advantage of hopefully the ship being quiet and get to go up to the pool and stuff like that. So that'll be really nice. Tomorrow will be a much more eventful day, but it was like as a person, you know, as a mom, you know, as a business owner, and you know, a person that always has stuff going on, probably very much like you, it was very nice to be able to take a nap today. I was watching a little Real Housewives of Salt Lake City on my iPad. That is something I would recommend. There's not much on the TV, so I would recommend downloading some shows to your phone, your iPad, or computer, and that will really help. But I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I hope you enjoyed this probably very short video today, but it just gives you a little glimpse. A lot of what I wanted to show you guys is the food and kind of show you like a day-to-day what it's been like. So I couldn't show you too much of what a day-to-day was like today because it wasn't too much of a normal day, but I wanted to at least show you guys a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor and help support this channel by giving it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.